So I'm going to show you how to create a belt, like a custom belt. Not the 3D mesh, just the data part with the new meta update. So first of all, you want to go into KX60, extract belt data table. Then you want to go into KX0. I know this is fucking annoying. And go into belts, all the way down. Belt data asset map. You want those two files, those are the predominant ones. Once you've got that, you want to go into meta, open up these two files that you've just extracted, do the export like you've done previously into your data folder. Once that's done, you'll have them in here. You'll have this big bunch of bullshit. Go back into meta, open up the creation suite, do file, new belt. Now, there are three types of belts here. The 3D introduction does the actual 3D mesh like display during a title match, so you don't have to create a BK2 for it. Create a belt, I have no idea what this does. I'm not even going to bother with it, but I left it in if people want to test it. And you've got your regular BK2 one. For this, what I'm using is a 3D introduction because I think it looks better. It's less work. So the slot ID, the best way to find the slot ID, they're not on the wiki right now. They might be in the future. Is you want to go into the belt data table and look for the lowest. So mine's 199. This is the one I'm working on right now. But before it was 198. So you just take this number, increase it by 1, put it in here. Now there is a cap to the belts. It's somewhere around, you've got about 46 belts. If you go over 200, the game starts acting weird. It's like glitches out. Default champion 1 and 2. These are the wrestler IDs. I will put them in the description. So it's just, if you want Batista as the default champion, you use 411, Yokozuna 966. Call ID, they're not on the wiki right now. If you want to find one, the best thing to do is go to the belt IDs, find one that you want to replace or want to use. So I don't know if this has got a call name. Just copy that, go in here, find the fucker. It doesn't have a call ID, so you can see, but this one does. So 51, and that's for 173, which is the WCW World Heavyweight Championship. There's not really that many lines, voice lines that you can play with here, so you're kind of overlapping. These are very simple. Tag team, female, no heavyweights. Don't need to explain that. The brand name is, if I hover over this, you will see what it means. So you see how it says WWE Women's Tag Team Championship. That's what it's asking. Me personally, I just use the same one for these. They're not that much difference. Champion is used when you win the match. So it'll say the name, and then it'll say World Heavyweight Champion. It's the keyword champion. So in total, you require about 2 strings. The match intro BK2 ID, those are in right. Found them so many fucking files. So you can see here the BK2s are here. I believe that you can add as many as you want. All you need to do is, if you've got a custom slot like I do down here that I am working on, which is 179, you can just add a new BK2 and the engine will pick it up. The number you're looking for is between the 0 and the underscore, so 175, 165, 164. Meta will generate the correct ID for you. Render, simple as before, just like the DDS. Cutscene, all this bollocks, very easy to do. The prop config JSFB path, I don't recommend touching this. They use a specific JSFB, and it's got all the default parameters for physics. That's because it's for that physics belt. The other ones don't require it. So I recommend just leaving this. Don't touch it, because you can just cause chaos. I'm going to stop this now. I'm going to fill in my own belt. So I've got my belt. You just hit save. I've already saved it, obviously. If I pull this up now, you'll see it's generated all this bollocks. So all you have to do is it's telling you need to go to your belt data table here. So you go here, go to the bottom, and all you do is copy from this curly whirly. And you go inside here and you paste it just after there. So I've already done it here, as you can see. You do the same thing with the asset map, which is this curly whirly to curly whirly. Go in here, go to the bottom. After that, paste. As you can see, it's all there. Hit save. Bake. Go in game, and you'll have no issues. Alright, so we're in game. Got title management. You'll see your belt's there. Works just as any ordinary belt. I'll show you how it looks in game because we set the 3D display. And if it all worked correctly, which it will, we get our belt. This works across exhibition, universe mode. It's literally just like adding a brand new belt to the game, like 2K does it. If I skip ahead, you'll see the 3D display. There we go. Mid. And there's the custom belt.